short while ago, we visited the archaeological site of Halkajar, located in the Khorasan district of Khatlon region, to observe the ongoing archaeological excavations being carried out by the staff of the National Museum of Tajikistan. During the visit, we were accompanied by representatives of the National Museum of Tajikistan and the renowned archaeologist, academic Yakubov. The archaeological site is situated alongside the Dushanbe-Bokhtar highway. From a distance, it appears to be nothing more than a dry earthen mound. However, hidden beneath this elevated hill lies the secrets of our ancestors' lives, their unique customs and traditions, and their rich cultural heritage. Thanks to the dedication and initiative of the archaeologists of the National Museum, these remarkable pages of history are once again emerging from beneath the earth and being brought to light. Since May 25, 2026, the archaeologists of the National Museum have been conducting extensive archaeological research at the site. During more than a month of fieldwork, they have successfully opened 2 large excavation areas, demonstrating both the considerable scale of the project and the high level of professionalism and dedication of the research team. During the visit, a number of remarkable archaeological discoveries were presented to academic Yakubov, including ancient coins, pottery, fragments, ceramic vessels and storage jars, beds, bricks and columns bases. These valuable finds once again confirm both the exceptional quality of the excavation work and the site's outstanding historical and archaeological significance.
The Kushan Empire ruled for nearly 5 centuries, yet, to this day, its rightful place in our history has not been fully recognized. No other state has contributed as profoundly to the formation and development of the Tajik nation as the Kushan Empire did.
The history of the Tajik nation reached one of its most glorious periods with the emergence of the Kushan Empire on the stage of politics and statehood, in antiquity laying the foundation for the formation of a vast and powerful empire. Within this historical context, the ancient city of Halkajar holds a special place as one of the most significant and unique archaeological sites in the Waksh Valley. The ancient settlement is situated on the right bank of the Waksh River within the territory of the Surkala River community and covers an area of approximately 40 hectares. The city consisted of 3 principal components: the citadel or Shahristone, which served as the administrative and defensive center, the cemetery, and the surrounding settlement area. Its carefully selected location provided strategic control over major regional routes, reflecting the advanced urban planning and architectural expertise of our ancestors.
We have identified an area covering more than 100 hectares, and it may in fact be even larger. This is one of the oldest and most highly developed ancient cities of its time. Here we can see an ancient urban complex. The royal citadel was located there, while this section is the inner city, Shahristone, followed by other districts. It represents a remarkably well-planned and fully developed city from the Kushan period. The Kushans made an immense contribution to the history and formation of the Tajik people. Unfortunately, to this day, we have neither adequately documented their history nor fully appreciated the true value of what the Kushans accomplished for the history of the Tajik nation. The origins of the Dari language can be traced back to the Kushan period. Regrettably, these contributions have not yet been properly reflected in our historical and literary works. Fortunately, the museum has taken the initiative to conduct systematic archaeological excavations at the site. As a result, it is now able to provide valuable new evidence and a much deeper understanding of the history of the Kushan civilization.
Archaeological research at this magnificent ancient city, which began during the Soviet period, continues today with new and significant discoveries. Historical records and eyewitness accounts indicate that major architectural remains were uncovered during land development and archaeological excavations at the site. Among the most important finds are stone column bases and capitals, the remains of massive defensive walls, and decorative architectural elements. These discoveries confirm that Halkajar was not an ordinary settlement, but rather a center that once featured palaces and large administrative buildings dating to the Kushan period.
Since May 25th of this year, specialists from the National Museum of the Executive Office of the President of the Republic of Tajikistan have been conducting archaeological excavations at the Halkajar archaeological site in Khorasan district. This is not the National Museum's first archaeological expedition. In fact, the museum's excavation project at the site began in 2014, and each field season has been systematically numbered according to the excavation campaign. This year, we continued the work by opening excavation units number 5 and number 6. Excavation unit number 5 has already reached a depth of 4 meters and has yielded significant discoveries. Cultural layers first appeared at a depth of approximately 15 centimeters, while the first architectural remains, a wall, were uncovered at a depth of about 20 centimeters. By tracing the walls, we uncovered 2 rooms within excavation unit number 5. What is particularly remarkable is that the walls were coated with gypsum plaster, demonstrating the advanced architectural techniques and craftsmanship of the Kushan period. In the same excavation area, we also discovered stone column bases, which reflect the highly developed stoneworking skills, sophisticated civilization, and rich cultural heritage of the Kushans. It is also worth emphasizing that the Halkajar archaeological site was one of the principal urban centers of the Baksh Valley during the Kushan period. This conclusion is supported both by the archaeological excavations that began during the Soviet era and by the continued research carried out by the National Museum, which has further confirmed these findings.
The urban culture and civilization of Halkajar reached its height during the Kushan era. One of the most remarkable cultural discoveries made at the site is a two-handled ceramic water vessel bearing an inscription in the Bactrian language. The inscription has been translated as, "This water vessel belongs to Lady Sakin." This exceptional find, discovered during the years of Tajikistan's independence, demonstrates that literacy and written culture occupied an important place even in the everyday household items of the settlement's inhabitants. In addition, the discovery of various ceramic vessels and coins provides further evidence of the advanced level of craftsmanship and the flourishing local civilization.
در رفت کویشو در که استخوان‌های ملی برگزار نموده است در اینجا بازیافت‌های ارزشمند مثلا سال 2020 از طرف متخصصان استخوان‌های ملی
During the archaeological excavations conducted by the National Museum, a number of remarkable discoveries have been made at the Halkajar archaeological site. One of the most significant finds was unearthed in 2020, when specialists from the National Museum discovered a gold pendant depicting a centaur. To date, this artifact is considered unique in Central Asia. Another important discovery was made during last year's excavation campaign, when the National Museum team uncovered a pottery jar bearing an inscription in the Bactrian language and script. The inscription was deciphered and translated by the renowned Oriental scholar Sims Williams and Jackie, who rendered the text as, "This water jar belongs to Lady Sagkin." The discovery of such artifacts, including the Bactrian inscribed jar, the gold pendant featuring a centaur, stone column bases, and numerous coins, demonstrates that this ancient city was one of the principal urban centers of the Kushan Empire, where civilization, culture, and craftsmanship flourished. In addition to these exceptional finds, we uncovered a large number of coins. Their presence indicates the development of a monetary economy and the active circulation of currency in the ancient city of Halkajar. This year's excavations also yielded numerous grinding stones, river stones, and stone pestles, providing further evidence of the development of grain processing, agriculture, and everyday economic activities in the city. Among the other important discoveries were complete ceramic vessels and a large quantity of pottery fragments, which testify to the high level of pottery production and ceramic craftsmanship practiced here. It is also worth noting that each ceramic vessel bore its own distinctive mark or symbol, a tradition that was widespread throughout the Kushan Empire. Similar marked ceramics have also been discovered by the National Museum at other Kushan period sites, including Chimpirgan in Shardis district and Sayed in Abdurrahmani Jomi district. However, such marked pottery has been found in far greater quantities at the ancient city of Halkajar, clearly indicating the existence of a highly developed pottery industry and specialized ceramic workshops at the site.
شهرکی یا که در شهر باستانشهر حلقجر اینها با تعداد خیلی زیاد یافت میشوند که این بازگو کننده از رشد کلالگری، رشد استخوان‌های سفالگری درک می‌دهد.
The architecture and construction techniques of the Kushan period were distinguished by their exceptional sophistication. Archaeological excavations within the ancient city of Halkajar have uncovered both fired and unfired bricks that were used in the construction of walls and in paving the interior passageways of buildings. The arrangement of these bricks and the engineering design of the structures demonstrate that Kushan architects possessed advanced knowledge of construction, engineering, urban planning, and architectural aesthetics.
ما چند موسم است که در یادگاری الخجری نوع خراسان کار میکنیم و سال گذشته نیز در اینجا ما در دو ساحه کار کردیم و هم آثار معماری و هم آثار زیادی باستانشناسی را
We have been conducting archaeological research at the Halkajar site in Khorasan district for several excavation seasons. Last year, our work focused on two excavation areas, where we uncovered both architectural remains and a large number of archaeological artifacts. Halkajar is undoubtedly one of the most significant archaeological sites in the Vaksh Valley. According to the findings of researchers, this ancient city served as the administrative and cultural center of the Vaksh Valley during the Kushan period. The results of our excavations over the past 2 years clearly demonstrate that the city remained inhabited throughout the entire Kushan era. This conclusion is supported by the archaeological evidence, including numismatic finds and numerous other artifacts recovered from the site. At present, we are working in excavation unit No. 6, which covers an area of approximately 80 square meters. This excavation has yielded important architectural remains as well as many valuable archaeological finds. One of the most remarkable discoveries is a paved walkway constructed from fired bricks. The bricks were laid in 3 parallel rows and bonded together with gypsum mortar, which served to strengthen and secure the structure. Remarkably, every brick is identical in size, measuring 40 by 40 centimeters and 10 centimeters in thickness. It is generally accepted in archaeology that fired bricks became widely used during later historical periods. However, at several sites where we have conducted excavations in Tajikistan, including Chinkargan and Halkajar, we have found clear evidence that fired bricks were already being used during the Kushan period. Given that the ground here was predominantly clay, and natural stone was scarce, the inhabitants constructed the streets running between the buildings with fired bricks instead. This demonstrates not only practical engineering solutions but also the advanced construction techniques of the Kushan civilization. In the area where we are currently excavating, 2 walls have also been uncovered. All of the walls discovered in this sector were built according to a uniform plan, each measuring approximately 80 centimeters in width. Similar walls have been found in both excavation units number 6 and number 8, although they survived to different heights. One of the walls uncovered here still stands at a height of more than 1 meter. Particularly noteworthy is the fact that it was coated with gypsum plaster, much of which has survived in an excellent state of preservation.
اندازه با یک اندازه ساخته شدن، یعنی پهنای دیوار 80 سانتی متر است و در هم ساحه رقم 8 و هم ساحه رقم 6 دیوارها با بلندی های گوناگون پیدا گردیدند و در اینجا دیوار با بلندی از 1 متر زیاد باقی مانده است و جالب آن است که دیوار با گچ روکش شده است و گچ خیلی خوب باقی مانده است.
The study of the cultural layers at the Halkajar archaeological site reveals the different stages in the city's historical development. The upper layers of the excavated structures preserve traces of plasterwork and decorative wall paintings. These ornamental plaster elements, which once adorned the interiors of palaces and monumental buildings, testify to the refined artistic taste and the high level of visual arts and aesthetic culture achieved by the ancestors of the Tajik people in this important center of the Varksh Valley.
The archaeological excavations have revealed several distinct phases of construction at this site. The Kushan Empire existed for more than 5 centuries, and naturally, throughout that long period, architectural styles and building techniques evolved. Houses were repeatedly rebuilt and renovated. During our excavations, we discovered that new walls had been constructed directly on top of earlier ones, providing clear evidence of successive phases of occupation and reconstruction. Our findings also show that the Kushans primarily used rammed earth and mud bricks as their principal building materials. In most structures, the foundations were made of compacted rammed earth. In one of the buildings, however, the foundation was constructed by first laying a layer of river stones, which was then covered with rammed earth. On top of this foundation, walls were built using fired bricks measuring 40 by 40 centimeters and 10 centimeters in thickness. The finished walls were then coated with gypsum plaster. Several layers of plaster were identified on the walls, indicating that the buildings were repaired and replastered on numerous occasions. This suggests that the inhabitants regularly maintained and renovated their homes. Historical sources also mention that during the celebration of Nowruz, the ancient Aryan peoples traditionally renewed and repaired their houses. The successive layers of gypsum plaster preserved on these walls provide archaeological evidence of that long-standing tradition, reflecting the periodic renovation of homes during the Kushan period.
The state institution National Museum of Tajikistan is the only government institution that has carried out systematic archaeological excavations at the Halkajar during the country's independence. Under the leadership of its distinguished specialists, the museum has organized 4 scientific expeditions to the site in 2014, 2020, 2024, and 2025. these dedicated efforts have resulted in archaeological discoveries of international significance, including a decorative gold pendant depicting a centaur discovered in 2020 and a golden tree branch unearthed in 2024. Today, these unique artifacts enrich the scientific collections and museum exhibitions, standing as outstanding examples of the rich cultural heritage of ancient Tajikistan.
استخوان ملی تاجیکستان این مؤسسه علمی تحقیقاتی است و در ساختار آن شعبه مخصوصی باستانشناسی و سکه‌شناسی.
The National Museum of Tajikistan is a scientific research institution. Within its organizational structure operates a specialized department of archaeology and numismatics, whose primary mission is to identify, study, and preserve the historical heritage of our ancestors. With regard to the Halkajar archaeological site, it is important to note that since 2014 the National Museum has designated this site as one of its principal research centers and has conducted annual archaeological excavations here. In particular, since 2020, systematic and uninterrupted archaeological investigations have been carried out every year. The extensive research, field investigations, and the remarkable discoveries made at the site clearly demonstrate that Halkajar is an exceptionally ancient and historically significant settlement. One of the most important discoveries was made in 2020, when archaeologists unearthed a gold pendant depicting a centaur, a mythical creature with the lower body of a horse and the upper body of a human. This is the first artifact of its kind ever discovered in Central Asia. Another remarkable discovery was made in 2024, when several gold pendants in the shape of a three-lobed leaf were uncovered at the site. These finely crafted ornaments reflect the sophisticated artistry, exceptional craftsmanship, and advanced cultural achievements of Kushan period artisans and goldsmiths.
بعضی آویزه‌های زرین در شکل سه برگه پیدا شدند، یعنی آویزه‌های طلایی که شکل سه برگه دارد و این از مدنیت، از هنر، از فرهنگ بلند استاهای همون زمان، هنرمندان زمان کوشانیان حکایت می‌کند.
The excavation of the cultural layers at this unique archaeological site is being carried out with great professionalism and dedication by the young researchers and archaeologists of the Department of Archaeology and Numismatics of the National Museum of Tajikistan. As a result of these systematic excavations, a wide range of material remains has been uncovered, including residential and utility structures, Bactrian ceramic water vessels, and numerous pottery fragments dating to the Kushan period. These discoveries has enabled scholars to scientifically demonstrate the strategic and economic importance of the ancient city of Halkajar within the administrative and political system of the Kushan Empire.
در حفریاتی که امسال
As you have witnessed during this year's archaeological excavations conducted by the National Museum at this site, a remarkable number of artifacts have been uncovered. Among the most significant discoveries are numerous Kushan period coins dating to different reigns within the empire. These coins were not issued by a single ruler. Instead, they belonged to the reigns of several Kushan kings, including Vasudeva and Kanishk. Since the Kushan Empire endured for more than 5 centuries, the discovery of coins from successive rulers at one and the same site provides compelling evidence that Halkajar was a permanently inhabited settlement. People lived here, engaged in trade, developed irrigation systems, and sustained a flourishing urban community. The site has also yielded terracotta figurines and other artifacts that offer valuable insights into the religious beliefs and spiritual traditions of the Kushan period. One of the most important discoveries made during the 2026 excavation season is a fragment of a vessel carved from bone. It is particularly noteworthy because local craftsmen decorated the bone with intricate ornamental designs, demonstrating the exceptional artistic skill and craftsmanship of the period. To present the results of these archaeological discoveries and to document the history, economy, arts, and cultural achievements of the Kushan Empire, the National Museum of Tajikistan has prepared a new publication entitled The Ancient City of Halkajar. The book has already been sent to the publisher and will soon be available to readers. Its official presentation will also be announced through the national media. The artifacts recovered from this site and preserved today in the National Museum are direct witnesses to the statehood and civilization of our ancestors, the Kushans. These discoveries are of such outstanding historical and artistic value that they could rightfully be exhibited in the world's leading museums. Furthermore, as part of the government's initiative to establish the Center of Aryan Civilization, these unique artifacts are expected to become some of the principal exhibits in its museum. Their significance is especially great because they were not brought from elsewhere, they were discovered here, within the historical homeland of the Aryan civilization, on the territory of present-day Tajikistan.
این بازوفی هست که از خود قلمروی پهنای آریایی مثلا از تاجیکستان عزیز ما پیدا شده است.
The historical significance and outstanding value of the ancient city of Halkajar have also been widely recognized in contemporary scholarly literature. In this distinguished work, A Glance at Aryan History and Civilization, the founder of peace and national unity, the leader of the nation, the President of the Republic of Tajikistan, Honorable Emali Rahmon, gives special attention to this archaeological site, noting the Halkajar settlement also belongs to the first category of ancient cities. Kushan coins and other ancient artifacts have been discovered here at Halkajar, a hoard of gold coins of which was unearthed. This observation highlights the city's economic importance and its advantageous location on the right bank of the Vaksh River, which contributed to its strategic role in antiquity.
In his book A Glimpse into the History and Civilization of the Aryans, the founder of peace and national unity, the leader of the nation, the President of the Republic of Tajikistan, His Excellency Emomali Rahman, provides a detailed discussion of the Halkajar archaeological site. In particular, he highlights the discovery of the Kushan gold coin hoard unearthed at Halkajar. In the book, this remarkable discovery is ranked alongside the famous archaeological finds from Mount Mug, underscoring its outstanding historical significance. It is noted that the Halkajar hoard originally contained between approximately 500 and 600 Kushan gold coins, making it one of the largest discoveries of Kushan gold coinage ever recorded anywhere in the world. This extraordinary treasure was found at the Halkajar archaeological site. Located in the Vaksh Valley, Halkajar was one of the principal urban centers of the Kushan period in the region. Based on the available archaeological evidence, it is highly probable that Kushan gold coins were actually minted in this very city. We possess substantial archaeological evidence and reliable historical data that strongly support this conclusion and further confirm the significance of the findings highlighted by His Excellency in his work.
این گفته‌های جناب عالی را عملاً تصدیق می‌کنند.
The discovery of the hoard of gold coins at Halkajar is regarded as one of the most significant archaeological events in Central Asia. The discovery of the Vaksh hoard in 2008, together with subsequent archaeological investigations, revealed that the city was not only home to the circulation of the king Huishka's gold coins, but also to coins and half dinars issued by other prominent Kushan rulers, including Kanishka, Zagreb, and Vasudeva. These discoveries overturned earlier assumptions and conclusively demonstrated that the right bank of the Vaksh River constituted a key financial and economic center of the Kushan Empire.
در پی کاوش‌های سال‌های طولانی که آثارخانه ملی انجام داده است، ما از یادگاری مذکور هر ساله حدود صدها
As a result of the long-term archaeological excavations carried out by the National Museum, hundreds of coins have been unearthed from the Halkajar archaeological site every year. The earliest coins discovered here date back to the Greco-Bactrian period, beginning in the 3rd century BC, while the latest specimens belong to the Kushano-Sasanian period of the 5th and 6th centuries AD. The majority of these discoveries consist of coins issued by the rulers of the Kushan Empire. Among them are coins of Vima Tacto, Greco-Bactrian imitative coinage, Vima Cadphises, Kanishk, Hyuvishka, Vasudeva, imitations of Vasudeva's coinage, Kanishk III, and Kushano-Sasanian coins, which represent the final phase of occupation at the ancient city of Halkajar. This year's archaeological excavations conducted by the National Museum have also produced a wealth of remarkable discoveries, with coins forming the largest and most significant category of finds. We have displayed a selection of these coins here as representative examples. The oldest coin discovered during this excavation season is an imitative silver tetradrachm in the Heliocles tradition, dating to the 1st century BC. Alongside this rare specimen, we have uncovered authentic Kushan coins, including issues of Vima Tacto, Vima Cadphises, Kanishk, and Hyuvishka, as well as a number of later imitative coins that remained in circulation from the 4th to the 5th centuries AD.
سکه ویما کادفیز، کانیشکا، هویشکا و در پهلوی آنها سکه های پیروانه که از عصر 4 تا عصر 5 در معاملات بودند.
The ancient city of Halkajar is far more than an archaeological excavation site. It is an open book of history, written in stone and clay, with every page reflecting the greatness and achievements of the ancestors of the Tajik people. The latest discoveries, made in 2026 by the young and highly experienced specialists of the National Museum of Tajikistan, confirms that the Vaksh Valley during the Kushan period was not only an important administrative and defensive center, but also a major economic and cultural artery of the empire. The discovery of the Vaksh hoard, ceramic vessels bearing Bactrian inscriptions, and richly plastered architectural structures demonstrates that the traditions of urban civilization, craftsmanship, literacy, and artistic refinement have deep roots in this region, dating back to antiquity. The continued study of Halkajar serves not only to enrich our understanding of the past, but also to strengthen the national identity of present and future generations of Tajikistan, standing as an enduring source of historical knowledge and inspiration.